In this tutorial, we will show you how to join and create a class in Remind. First, to join a class, you go to remind.com, you log in, and then you click on join a class. For this example, me and David made a class. Is that right, David?
Yes.
And then this is our class code. Anime Girl 3. You put that in, you press join. And there we go, you're in the class. That's it. And if you want to leave, because, for any reason, you go to information, and then you put leave class. And you just leave. To create a class, you go to remind.com, you're probably already here. And then you put create a class. For this example, I'm just going to put whatever. Okay. There we go. Nice code. And the school that you're in. For example, I'm just going to put that. And then you press create. And there you go. The coder's right here. I'm going to send it to David. Yep, he's going to join the class now. And now it works.
Join the class.
So all you do is just create a class. And then when you get the code, you send it to your students. And that's it.